Use the rule of BODMAS, brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. 25. Change the sign. Write its reciprocal. Divide by 3 times 2. 5 times 9 divided by 3 times 2. Left to right. Is equal to 5 times 9, 45 divided by 3 times 2. 45 upon 3 times 2 times 2. 30 is the correct answer. Write your correct answer in comment. प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. चैनलला सब्सक्राइब करा.